Hello guys, this is Ricky with Service Guide. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the service indicator on a Volkswagen Crafter 2016 and onwards. Step 1. Make sure that the parking brake is tightened and that the gearbox is in neutral if it's in manual, or in P if it's in an automatic. Make sure the ignition is off before we start off. So now we move on to step 2. Now you want to press and hold the right side set button in the display. At the same time, keep holding the button, turn on the ignition, but don't start the car. When the display reads reset oil change service or reset service indicator, release the button. So now we move on to step 3. You want to press the button again briefly. Now the service light or the service indicator should be reset. Thank you for watching guys, I'll catch you in the next one, bye.